Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin at the door. Verify the stall is the marked accessible cubicle and that the emergency pull cord is reachable. Once inside, lock the door and confirm the occupancy indicator. This prevents accidental intrusion. Make sure grab bars are secure and the toilet height suits you. This reduces strain when sitting. Move your mobility aid into a corner so it's out of the way. And double-check, there's roughly 900 millimeters by 1,500 millimeters of clear. Position your wheelchair or aid at a 30 to 45 degree angle to the toilet to allow a controlled lateral transfer. This angle reduces twisting. Reach for the grab bar, push to lift slightly, pivot your hips, and lower steadily. This protects shoulders and back. Once seated, use reachable dispensers and the built-in shelf for wipes or clothing. Keeping essentials within arm's reach prevents risky movements. If you use pads or catheter supplies, place them on the shelf before you start. When you're ready to leave, prepare by placing a hand on each grab bar. Stand steadily, pivot, and slide back into your wheelchair or mobility aid. Take it slow. Rushed movements increase fall risk. If at any point you feel unsteady, pull the emergency cord immediately. Staff are trained to assist and will respond. Once finished, secure your clothing, dispose of waste, leave the stall tidy, and report any damage. Loose bars or a non-functional alarm can endanger the next user.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.